Welcome to video 8 in our series, How to Make Money Online. This time we're discussing methods 8, 9, and 14.
Hey, it's not the 20th century anymore. It's time to learn to work from home or from wherever you choose to and make a passive income that allows you to do the things you love to do.
Method 8 is using websites to pay you for your opinion. You can do this from your PC as well as your phone, using the website's corresponding apps. You'll never make tons of money doing this, but if you enjoy giving your opinion, testing out new products, taking surveys, or imagining ways to improve things, then this is a good method that will buy you an extra cup of coffee now and then. The more effort you put into it, the more money you can make. But it isn't like getting paid a full-time job. This is a way of supplementing other income, which works best if you enjoy giving your opinions. Think of it as entertainment that pays you back a little. Some websites to look at are Enroll, Try My UI, User Testing, Inbox Dollars, and Survey Junkie. It's a lot to remember. The links will be down below.
As we were researching the information for this video, I found a very interesting and unique form of survey taking in which you send in a video response to the survey people and they monitor your emotional responses via AI. You get paid very well for the surveys on this site. It is called Mindswarms. There was a little bit of a difficulty at the time I tried to sign up at the website. I just know that when I clicked on the Services tab, there was a drop-down menu that came down which showed things that were both for clients but not for survey takers. I tried this a couple of times and it didn't work correctly. I tried just clicking on services after the drop-down menu came down. I tried typing in mindswarms.com services and it didn't allow me to sign up. It kept kicking back to the fill in your information page. So on the website I had a lot of difficulty and I would recommend to download their app in order to get signed up. That's what I eventually did. I downloaded the app on my phone and I got signed up right away just following the prompts. They immediately asked me to apply for one survey and then there were no more surveys to take after that for which I qualified. It said they would send me a notification if I got accepted into the one I did apply for, and they would also send notification if another one comes up for which I qualify to apply. You have to apply for each survey. You don't get paid for the application process, but you do get paid if you get chosen to take the survey once you have completed it. It's worth repeating that these surveys pay quite a good compensation for your time compared to other survey sites. The link to Mindswarms will be in the description of this video, even though for our purposes, unless you happen to actually be in the market to run a survey as a client, if you're wanting to take the surveys, the app on your phone will do you much better. I do think this is an interesting study of how psychology can be used in marketing, so I think it is worth the effort. It's powered by AI and is a chance for businesses to see how AI can read video surveys and give better insight to those businesses than can the regular digital surveys with which we are all familiar. Mindswarms won't be making me tons of money anytime soon because they don't have surveys, flowing out of their ears at the moment. But I do believe this is probably the wave of the future in survey taking and marketing studies. So check it out.
2 other places for you to look for remote jobs that allow you to test products and give reviews of them are firstly a site called Remote Job Listing, where you can find a number of different reviewing jobs and also moderating jobs for some platforms. There's also jobs which could make a living for you and still allow you the freedom and access to at least some of the things that you enjoy in life. And there is one company that hires mostly remote staff, and which also has the ethos of freedom of daily living and working and enjoying life together. And that is Yelp. So if you really, really want to be an employee rather than in business for yourself, this seems to be a company trying to give their employees what most workers want. You can see what positions they're hiring for through the link in the description of this video. Method 9 is to become a mystery shopper or run errands and perform other tasks for businesses. There are several websites that connect errand runners, secret shoppers with the businesses who need them. There are Second to None, Market Force, GigWalk, and Field Agent. The links to these websites are right where you would expect them to be in the description of this video. So if you're enjoying the information in this video and find it useful or helpful, take the action. Please comment below and softly tap that like button for us. Our final method is method 14. Again, this is not a huge money maker, but rather a nice supplemental extra cup of coffee now and then. Method 14 is that you sign up for money back and reward programs, especially like the Upside app. Upside gives you cash back on many kinds of purchases, including the occasional discounted gasoline, which we've included a code in the description down below to give you 15 cents off per gallon of your next purchase at participating stations. So be sure you check those links. All right, other apps are Google Opinion Rewards, the Pinata app, which gives cash back for purchases, and when it has confirmed that your rent payments have been on time, it gives you rewards for that too. So there's information you got to fill out that you got to give them, but it could be worth it to you. The Miles app rewards you for miles traveled in any mode. So even if you take a walk, ride your bike, whatever, if you take your phone with you, you get miles rewarded to your account. Check it out at getmiles.com. Another cashback reward app is Peer to Profit app. On this one, you can share your unused bandwidth from your internet provider allotment and get paid. The Social Good app allows you to shop as you normally would on your phone and earn cryptocurrency back. The 1Q app pays you for taking surveys and pays you immediately through PayPal. The Amazon Shoppers Panel is another app that offers reward. You can read about it at panel.amazon.com. The Eureka app pays you for taking surveys. The Moby app is all about secret shopping, and the Make Money app is a cash earning app where you do tasks, take surveys, give opinions, or even play games. Finally, Missed Play pays you to play games. The names of these apps will be listed in the description of this video to make it easier to find them on the Google Play Store or the Apple iStore, and the links will be listed for those that you can download from a website. That's all from video 8 of our series, How to Make Money Online. Thank you for joining us. In the next video, number 9 of our series, our final video in this series, will include methods 10, 11, and 16. Be sure not to miss it by hitting the subscribe button and the bell icon, and we'll see you next time.